Stop.
Hello guys, good morning. So I'm here with Maria again. We're driving towards Mississauga. Another wedding, guys. Another party. So if you see what you see and what you get, just
What you see is what you get.
yeah.
In 1.2 kilometers,
So being a real
turn
estate
right onto
broker,
Eglinton Avenue East.
and my assistant Maria, the one thing I can say is good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. So my aunt, she kept calling me na because supposed to be there at 9 o'clock. But the time na guys is 8:50 and it's traffic, so it's almost an hour again. Oh, there's a Tim Hortons here. I mean, I like Timmy's, guys, but you know, being a hectic schedule,
We're running late.
we're running late na. So ano nang sasabihin to ni Miss Asian Quads na parang imagine mo guys, sinabi niya sa akin na pag nadalo lang ako pupunta kasi parang magbibigay. Baka makuha daw yung quads. Charot. Just joke. Super traffic talaga guys. Talagang
Rush hour.
rush hour guys. Ay.
Kasi kanina 9:34, ngayon 9:37.
Oh my God. Are you sure? Galit talaga itong tita ko. Sasabihin talaga ng tita ko na you are not a real true business owner. Traffic. Mabuti nga because walang snow ngayon. Si Rodolph's, oh. Yan ang nickname ng tatay ko kasi pangalan ng tatay ko, di ba ganun? Yeah. So, ni hao ma.